Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Olycraft Designs, and I'm coming by today because I was contacted by Olycraft to see if I would do a review for some of their resin jewelry making products. So of course I said yes, and what I received is absolutely incredible. These little bezels, they're a pocket watch style bezel, and they've got two different sets of these. One of the sets has a rectangular bezel as well, although there's not as many of them. But these are they're just so pretty. Anyway, and they come in the three colors that I have here: the brass, the antique brass, and the silver. And these are really nice quality. They're not just a thin, flimsy little bezel. These are really nice. So I'm looking forward to having a go with those. Then I got a mold that came out of the bag, but I'm sorry, I should have had these. These are, I think they're called gemstone. I'm not quite sure what they're called yet. Okay, these are called gemstone mini chips, and they're under the resin filler section. Now, I just talked to her yesterday, and she said any of the stuff that's out of stock will be back in stock any day now. So, but these, I really can't tell you what they are, but what they appear to be anyway, they remind me of a glass glitter, although I don't think that's in any way what they are, because they're a much larger particle chip, whatever you want to call it. Let's see if I can. As you can see on the website, they show them being used to do a druzy type technique, and they're really pretty. So those are the gemstone chips. Then lastly but not leastly, I've got this set that, once again, I don't know what it's called. And these are all silicone molds, and this one is the moon and stars, which is a straight-sided mold, which will give you like a conversation heart kind of mold. They've got these disposable cups. It looks like there's maybe 10. So those are really handy. These little tongue depressor sized stir sticks and a pair of tweezers. Those will come in really handy. Then, I've never had any. These are the finger cots. Which I know are available lots of places. So you just put them on your finger. And roll down. Really nice for keeping the resin off fingers. Or polymer clay, or whatever you happen to be working on. Okay, let me just check. So I can tell you what this set is called. There it is. It's just called the One Set DIY Jewelry Silicone Casting Mold. Tools, sorry. So they've got several of these ring molds, from the circular just band type ring to this one has a large cavity looking top. Oh, it's a house shaped top. It comes to a point. And then 3 more of the band shaped, and these are all 3 different sizes. This one appears to be a rounded dome shaped top. Can't hardly see, but this one it appears to come to a, I don't know, whatever a half a hexagon is, but it also may come together. I'm not quite sure. Anyway, this little heart mold, which is 3 of the domed hearts, and then 3 of the conversation style hearts. This one is really cute. 3 dog paws, and 3, or cat paws, and 3 Hello Kitty faces. And then the basic molds. The hearts, the ovals, the rounds, the cubes. I love these domed cubes. They're really cute. Okay, and I'm sure that 2 of these are meant for the bezels, whether they fit inside or what the case may be, but so there we go. Those are really cute. Anyway, I'll be showing demos of all of this. But this was the unboxing. Like I said, from Olycraft. I'll put the link below, as well as the links to the products that I received. So if you're looking to start resin or add some molds to your supplies, or some glittery gemstone chips, or I'm telling you, she's got all sorts of shapes and sizes for these resin bezels, and actually quite a few different molds. As I'm looking at right here, they've got the hairpin or hair stick molds. She's got some alphabet molds. Of course, seashell and sea animals, and she's got a notebook cover set that's really cute, that will allow you to make a notebook cover from resin. Comes with the rings, and looks like maybe some, let me look at it. Yeah, some bookmark molds. Really cute. 3 different sizes of notebook covers. Looks like 2 different lengths of the bookmark molds. And then it comes with the the bookbinding rings. I don't even know how many there is. And it comes with, it looks like 3 ring binder clips. Anyway, looks like a really nice set. Anyway, if you have a chance, check out Olycraft and get you some really nice stuff. I'll be back, like I said, to do some demos on some resin craft. I'll be using UV resin for this just because it's quicker. But UV resin or 2-part resin, either one will work fantastically. So, thank you so much, Olycraft. If you got any inspiration from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. My social media links will be listed below. I've got an Amazon affiliate link that I get a little kickback from. I've got a Patreon account, a new Facebook group, besides my Facebook, my Pinterest, my Instagram. All of that stuff is listed below. And my Etsy shop, by the way. So, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.